Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon stuck on loading screen. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna right click on the game, go to properties, and in here, launch options, type in -dx11, and then press enter, and then close this out, and then relaunch the game. And if that doesn't work, you wanna right click on the game again, go to properties. You wanna disable the Steam Cloud. It might be causing the issue with the game. Exit out of this, relaunch. If that doesn't work, you can again go to properties, go to installed files, verify integrity of the game files. After that is done, you can also move the game files if you have it. So go to install files. You can move the folder if you have it on, like, let's say local disk D. You want to move it to local disk C where your Windows is installed. You simply select the drive and then click move. After you've done that, you want to restart your PC and relaunch the game, see if that works. The next thing you can try is go to CMD, click run as administrator, and now type in here netsh space win http space reset proxy, and then press enter. And after that, restart your PC again and see if that helps the issue. What also you can do is, before you restart your PCs, go to settings, go to network and internet, go to advanced settings. Now in here, you want to click on network reset and then click reset now, and then it will reset your network connection. After you reset it, you want to restart your PC and then the game should work properly. Also, what you want to do is you can try relaunching the game or like reinstalling it. Also, you can update the driver. If you don't have the latest drivers, open the NVIDIA or AMD app and simply click download. While you're in here, you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay. If you have it on, disable it. And go to system and disable the G-Sync if you have it on also. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Hopefully you solved your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Meccha Chameleon stuck on signing screen. If this video helped you guys, like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.